Hey guys, wanna know how to add gold in MetaTrader 4? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, adding gold is super simple in MetaTrader. Now what you can do is just simply hit on this quotes icon right here. This is this two icon with different contrast. Now on the top right, you can see the small plus icon. Just simply click on it. Now under find symbols, just search up for gold. Now there should be something known as XAUUSD. Just simply click on it. And once you're done, it should be added on your quotes. Now scroll down until you see XAUUSD, that is located right here. And then select open chart by holding it. And there you go. Super simple and easy. Your gold has been successfully added and now you can open the chart as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.